In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the U0105 error code on your Toyota Yaris. This code usually means there's a communication problem with the power steering control module, which can cause issues with steering assist. First, start by scanning your car with an OBD2 scanner to confirm the U0105 code. Next, check the wiring and connectors around the power steering control module for any damage, corrosion, or loose connections. Fix or replace any damaged parts. Sometimes resetting the car's computer by disconnecting the battery for 15 minutes can clear the error. If the code returns, the power steering control module itself might be faulty and need replacement. After repairing or replacing parts, clear the codes using your scanner and test drive to ensure the problem is fixed. If this video helped you fix the U0105 error on your Toyota Yaris, please like and subscribe for more simple car repair tips. Thanks for watching.